Here's how to convert to OGG for free. What is this, an OGG file type? So this is an audio file type, and if you have other audio file types like MP3, or if you have video like an MP4 video, we can drag and drop those into ConvertSave, which is a file converter I created with my brother, and it's an offline file converter that works for Mac and Windows. You can actually check it out for free in the link in the description down below, only on this video. And we can select our output to be OGG, and we can hit convert. And that's going to save those files right next to wherever the originals came from. So it extracts the audio from the video and creates that OGG file. And then same thing over here, we've got MP3, and it just converts it right to the OGG. And so I was sick of uploading my files to random sketchy websites and asked my brother, who's a developer, if we could make an app that converts not only video and audio, but also images on desktop on Mac and Windows. And that's exactly what ConvertSave is. And that's the name, ConvertSave. That's what it does. Hopefully you guys find it useful, or maybe you just need it right now. You just need a free option. Check it out for free in the description down below. That's ConvertSave. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.